In the cheerful town of Brightwood lived two best friends, Oliver and Olivia. Both of them loved to explore old forests, build forts with sticks and blankets, and race their bikes around curvy garden paths. Their laughter would echo through the lanes as the sun shone down, and every day seemed perfectly packed with adventure. But one spring, something curious began to happen. After school, instead of dashing outdoors, they plopped down with their tablets and phones. The sunlight outside beckoned, but inside, bright screens glowed with games, funny videos, and endless scrolling. Forts stood empty, bikes gathered dust, and even their pet cat, Whiskers, looked a bit lonely. One rainy afternoon, as Olivia's mum asked her to help tidy the attic, Olivia noticed something sparkling beneath an old, moth-eaten blanket. She pulled back the cloth and gasped. Underneath was a golden hourglass with strange blue sand swirling inside. It glimmered curiously in the dim light. "Oliver, come quickly!" Olivia called, eyes wide with excitement. Oliver dashed over and, full of wonder, picked up the hourglass. Just then, the bluish sand inside started to shimmer, swirling like a tiny storm. A tiny, musical voice floated into the air, "Use your time wisely." Oliver dropped the hourglass in surprise, but it landed softly on the carpet. "Did you hear that?" he whispered. "I think the hourglass just talked," Olivia exclaimed, grinning. They hurried down the stairs, bringing the magical find along, and settled into their usual spot, heads together over a tablet, ready to play their favorite racing game. But as they played, strange things happened. The sand in the hourglass began to tumble down faster and faster until it glowed red. Suddenly, whoosh, a flash of swirling, sparkling light filled the room. Oliver and Olivia felt themselves shrinking, getting tinier and tinier, until they were as small as toy blocks. The room disappeared. They found themselves in a vivid, bright place where everything seemed digital. Floating buttons hovered in the air, glowing pixel bridges stretched everywhere, and the ground buzzed with shimmery static. "One!" Oliver gasped, staggering. Just then, a group of tiny, colorful creatures made entirely of pixels ran up. Their eyes were wide with worry. "Help! Help!" they called. "We're trapped in the scrolling tunnels." Olivia crept over and peered inside one of the tunnels. It spiraled deep into blinking lights and flashing images, screens shooting by with no rest. "We keep scrolling and scrolling," a pixel creature sighed, "but we never get outside. We don't know how to stop." Oliver held up the glowing hourglass, thinking hard. Perhaps if we do something different, the tunnels might stop. First, he asked everyone to stand and stretch. They jumped, shook their arms, and twirled. A giggle or two escaped. To their amazement, the scrolling slowed a bit. Next, Olivia led everyone in building bright pixel castles, leaping over rainbow bridges, and making silly robots from glowing blocks. The tunnels shrank a little more. At last, Oliver said gently, "Let's rest our eyes and listen to the quiet." Everyone sat down and closed their eyes, breathing in and out slowly. The hourglass, now glowing gold, hummed joyfully. Suddenly, pop, the endless tunnels vanished. The pixel creatures cheered. They hugged each other and shouted, "Thank you. You balanced our screen time." A shining doorway appeared, with golden light spilling out. Oliver and Olivia stepped through and, whoosh, they were back in their living room, normal size, and sitting beside the golden hourglass, which now rested quietly. Oliver grinned, peeking at the cheerful garden outside. Want to go for a bike ride? He asked. Olivia nodded, smiling brighter than ever. Let's. Screens are fun, but our best adventures are waiting for us. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.